Welcome to this video on the 7 best blogging platforms for making money online. In this video, we will discuss the top blogging platforms that you can use to start your own blog and make money online. Choosing the right blogging platform is crucial for the success of your blog. You need a platform that is user-friendly, has a wide range of customization options, and offers good monetization options. Here are the 7 best blogging platforms for making money online. 1. The first blogging platform on our list is WordPress.org. This is a self-hosted platform that offers complete control over your blog. With WordPress.org, you have access to thousands of plugins and themes that allow you to customize your blog to your liking. In terms of monetization options, you can easily integrate ads, affiliate links, and even sell digital products on your WordPress.org blog. One of the key features of WordPress.org is its strong focus on SEO. You can easily optimize your blog for search engines by using plugins like Yoast, SEO, and all-in-one SEO pack. 2. The second blogging platform on our list is Wix. This is a beginner-friendly platform that offers drag-and-drop website building tools. Wix has a wide range of templates that you can use to create a professional-looking blog. In terms of monetization options, you can integrate ads and even sell physical products on your Wix blog. Wix is also a great option if you want to start an e-commerce store, as it has built-in e-commerce features. 3. The third blogging platform on our list is Squarespace. This is a platform that offers sleek and modern templates that are perfect for creative professionals. Squarespace is easy to use and offers good customization options. In terms of monetization options, you can integrate ads and even sell digital products on your Squarespace blog. Squarespace is known for its strong focus on design, making it a great option for bloggers who prioritize aesthetics. 4. The fourth blogging platform on our list is Blogger. This is a free platform offered by Google and is easy to set up and use. While Blogger may not offer as many customization options as some of the other platforms on this list, it does offer good monetization options. You can integrate ads and even use Google AdSense to make money on your Blogger blog. Blogger is a great option if you're looking for a free blogging platform. 5. The fifth blogging platform on our list is Medium. This is a platform that is designed for writers and allows you to publish your content to a large audience. Medium has a clean and minimalist interface, making it easy to use. In terms of monetization options, you can earn money through the Medium Partner Program, which pays you based on the engagement your articles receive. Medium is a great option if you prioritize writing over design and customization. 6. The sixth blogging platform on our list is Ghost. This is a platform that is designed for bloggers who want a simple and lightweight platform. Ghost has a clean and modern interface and offers good customization options. In terms of monetization options, you can integrate ads and even sell digital products on your Ghost blog. Ghost is a great option if you're looking for a platform that prioritizes simplicity and minimalism. 7. The seventh and final blogging platform on our list is Shopify. This is a platform that is designed for e-commerce stores, but also offers blogging features. Shopify has a wide range of templates that you can use to create a professional-looking blog. In terms of monetization options, you can sell physical products on your Shopify store. Shopify is a great option if you want to start an e-commerce store and also have a blog to drive traffic to your store. So there you have it, the 7 best blogging platforms for making money online. Whether you prioritize design, simplicity, or e-commerce, there is a blogging platform on this list that will meet your needs. Remember, choosing the right blogging platform is crucial for the success of your blog. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.